Hello, it's Wendy from wenwaycreations. Another quick video for you. I been playing around with some stuff. These tags that Gi from Happiness in Crafting did as a Friday freebie, and I was looking at them. I thought, oh, they're too pretty to do anything else. They don't need anything else doing to them. So I thought, well, I'll just use one as a template and I'll make my own. So that's what I've been doing. I have just been collaging them and putting pictures on them. So I'm sure you all know how to collage. But I'll just do a couple here just on my video. Where's my glue book? There we go. Yeah, so it's a nice, lovely, wet, wonderful February day here in sunny Queensland. It's been raining all day, so it's nice and sticky and humid. Just how we don't like it. I'm using bundled sage ink, distress ink. Just because I like green. Green's my favourite colour. Right, I've run out of tissues. Oh. So I've just been putting butterflies on them. Just decorating with what I've got at hand. Using the art glitter glue. Everything's damp because it's raining. And the humidity. There's something else just there. What have I got here? I'm cutting out little pictures out of magazines. That might look nice there. A hummingbird. There, that. Yep. Put that on. That's my take on Gi's tags. I'll just do one more. I'm pretty sure you all know how to do them. Just showing you my take on it. I won't put as much glue on this time. Very runny. You hear the frogs croaking? We have all these green tree frogs that live in our downpipes, and you always know when it's going to rain because they start croaking. It's going to rain, it's going to rain, and they start croaking a couple of days before it starts because they've been croaking all week. Anyway, I woke up this morning to the rain and I thought, yep, the frogs are right again. Interesting to see how much we get. We really needed it. We haven't had much rain. Well, they promised us heaps and heaps and heaps of rain. The Weather Bureau kept saying, oh, it's going to rain, it's going to rain. We didn't get any rain. So I've been hand watering me roses. Everything's sticking to me. Note to self, do not make a video when it's sticky and humid. Find another little butterfly. Crushed with the antennae. Okay, so I'm only going to do the two. So I want to show you something else I've been doing. Again, Gi from Happiness in Crafting. She had all these hearts that she'd done. And she had, it was in one of her freebie sets. And it was a heart with a little heart and a bird on a branch. And yeah, it was one of her Friday freebies, and I had a heap of the really big ones left over, so I thought I'll just decorate those up. So I've just been putting like a bit of lace, butterfly, a little word and a little heart, and just making different ones just for decoration for my journal. So I've been doing that, using up all my bits and pieces. So I'll link both those in my description, and yeah, thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, it's only the second time I've made a video, so still new at this. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment if there's anything that you think of that I can do to improve. If I'm not talking loud enough, My hands are in the way. Unfortunately, my camera is at the side because I don't have a thing to mount it on the front of my desk here. So it's over there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Thank you.